Hello everyone, thank you for joining this webinar. Today we are talking about one very important topic, financial inclusion. My name is Dennis. I'm working in Dutch devs more than 8 years and have total experience more than 10 years in development. We in Dutch devs have already participated in development more than 45 fintech projects. We have at least 12 years experience in development. We have integrated more than 75 vendors, and we have developed one white label solution. So, around the world, many people cannot access financial services. This makes their life harder. They cannot save money, safely borrow for business, or protect their family with insurance. But we live in a time of big changes. Mobile apps are becoming very popular and powerful. They can help us solve this big issue, big problem. Mobile apps can bring financial services to people who are left out. Even people in villages or remote areas can use apps on their phones. In this webinar, we will look at the first thing, what is financial inclusion and why it is important? How mobile apps help to include more people, challenges we need to solve, future opportunities with new technologies like AI and blockchain. So let's begin this important conversation. Why we are here? So we are here today to talk about the big changes mobile apps are making in financial services. Millions of people who didn't have access before and now able to save, borrow, and make payments, all from their phones. Here's what we will explore. Showcasing transformation. How mobile apps are changing the way underserved communities access financial services. The second one, examining challenges and successes. What are the barriers that still exist? We will look at real-life stories and solutions that are making a difference. The third one is exploring future opportunities, how new technologies like AI and blockchain can help us include even more people in the financial system. So, who will be interested? This topic is important to many groups of people, I think. There are those who will find this webinar valuable. So it could be financial sector, banks looking for new ways to serve customers, microfinance institutions helping low-income communities, fintech startups bringing innovative solutions. Tech enthusiasts, so it's developers creating user-friendly applications, tech companies building mobile platforms, AI and blockchain experts exploring advanced solutions. Governments and NGOs, policymakers working to promote financial inclusion, NGOs advocating for equal access to financial services. Together, these groups play a key role in driving financial inclusion forward. So, what it means, financial inclusion, yeah, let's understand it. Financial inclusion means making sure everyone has access to important financial services that are affordable and useful for their needs. Here's what it involves. Ensure success. People can access savings, loans, insurance, and payments when they need them in a way that fits their life. Responsible delivery. So services are provided in sustainable and ethical way, building trust and long-term value. Key benefits. Reduces poverty by giving people tools to manage money better. Drive economic growth by empowering individuals and businesses as well. Financial inclusion is not just about money, it's about creating opportunities for a better future of customers. Why financial inclusion matters? Financial inclusion is more than just access to financial service. It creates real, lasting impact for people and communities. Here is why. It empowers stability, so it helps individuals and families achieve financial security, reducing their vulnerability to unexpected challenges. It reduces poverty. So, by providing access to credit, investments, and insurance, it enables people to improve their standards of living. And it boosts growth. Financial inclusion supports entrepreneurship, encourages savings, and drives economic development for communities and nations. Together, these benefits show the power of financial inclusion in transforming lives. So, the numbers tell the story of why financial inclusion is so important. 24% in low-income countries of adults still lack access to formal financial services. This limits their ability to save, borrow, or invest money. So, mobile apps have made a big impact, reducing the unbanked population by over 10% in some area. These apps are bringing financial services to those who need them most. Every step toward financial inclusion is a step forward empowerment and opportunity for millions of people worldwide. So, what solutions we have? Mobile apps, it's a are powerful tools for breaking down barriers to financial services. Yeah, because um, we have effective solution how we can handle it with mobile applications. So mobile application provide remote access. So mobile phones now cover approximately 90 percentages of the global population, make it impossible to reach even the most remote areas. Mobile apps have inclusive features like user-friendly interfaces, make apps easy to use for everyone. Multi-language support ensures accessibility for diverse communities. And financial tools, so it could be instant payment, provide quick and secure transactions. Budgeting assistant helps users manage their money. Access to credit empowers users to achieve their goals. So mobile apps are transforming how people connect with financial service. Let's go to case studies, what we have. So let's take a closer to look at Enabler. It's an innovative fintech platform based in Bahrain, which we had the privilege of supporting. Enabler addresses a significant barrier in the investment world, so it provides access to sovereign bond market. Typically, the high starting investment amounts make it inaccessible to individual investors. So, Enabler solution, it's like platform that uses blockchain to tokenize assets, splitting large bonds into smaller units. These innovations opens the door for individual investors to participate in the sovereign bond market, an opportunity that was almost impossible before. And here are some key details about this project in numbers. You can see them on this slide. So it's approximate budget, timeline for 6 months, and it was team of 9 experts which work on that. So we have already partnership more than 3 years, and I want to cover some challenges which we had. So the first challenge was to build in a blockchain-based tokenization system. lower the investment entry point. The next one is to ensure the app complied with complex legal and regulatory requirements as well. And providing robust data protection and integrating features like KYC, asset management, payments processing, and digital wallets. So, in result, we got high-performing, scalable application with advanced functionality, which include account top-up and money withdrawal, virtual ledgers, and news. Feeds for investment campaigns, admin panels, and customer support tools, push notifications, and reporting system. So, if we talk about inclusivity and accessibility features, inclusivity and accessibilities are key priorities when designing mobile apps for financial inclusion. Ensuring that everyone, regardless of their abilities or background, can access and benefit from these tools is essential. Here are some of the critical features that promote inclusivity and accessibility. The first thing is voice control and screen readers. These features ensure that users with visual impairments or limited mobility can navigate and interact with the app effortlessly. By incorporating screen readers and voice commands, the apps become more user-friendly for people with diverse needs. Internationalization and localization, on the other hand, help to reach a global audience. The app supports multiple languages and adapts to cultural preferences. This makes it accessible to people from different regions and backgrounds, ensuring no one is left behind. Accessibility shortcuts for ease of use. Its simplified navigation and shortcuts make the app intuitive and easy to use, even for individuals who may not be tech-savvy. These features help reduce the learning curve and encourage more users to engage with the platform. By integrating these features, we are not only expand the reach of financial services, but also empower individuals to take control of their financial futures, regardless of their circumstances. So, what challenges and barriers we can expect here? So, as much as mobile apps are transforming financial inclusion, there are still significant challenges and barriers we need to address. Let's take a closer look at some of the key issues. So the first one is technology barriers. So while mobile apps are widely available, affordability remains a challenge for many in low-income communities. Like it's limited internet access, especially in remote areas, further restricts people from using mobile financial apps effectively. Bridging this digital divide is critical to ensuring no one is left out. The next one is trust and literacy. Many individuals hesitate to adopt financial apps due to a lack of trust or understanding. Financial literacy levels vary, and people unfamiliar with technology may fear using these tools. Builder user confidence through education and intuitive app design is vital for overcoming this barrier. The third one, regulatory hurdles. So navigating the complexities of financial regulations is a challenge for app engineers, developers, and service providers. Like ensuring compliance with local and international laws while maintaining seamless functionality requires careful planning and innovations. By addressing this challenge head-on, we can create more inclusive and effective solutions, paving the way for greater financial empowerment worldwide. How we can address these challenges? So, having seen the key barriers, it's not time to focus on potential solutions. Here are three ways we can overcome these challenges. So the first one is telecom partnership. Like by working together with telecom companies, we can improve access to the internet and make mobile services more affordable. These partnerships help extend coverage in underserved regions and keep data costs manageable for everyone. The next one is educational program. So financial literacy is essential for building trust in new technologies. It offers user-friendly tutorials and online resources which can help people feel confident about managing their money through mobile applications. And the last and not least, regulatory support. So the collaboration with governments and policymakers is crucial here to shape regulations that encourage innovation. Advocating for policies that promote financial inclusion ensures that mobile finance solutions can grow and benefit more communities. By focusing on these strategies, we can remove obstacles and open the door to a more inclusive financial future. What opportunities in the future we have with AI and blockchain in this sphere? So, as we look to the future, such technologies, like I said, AI and blockchain offer exciting possibilities for expanding financial solution. So let's talk a little bit about AI solutions. AI can provide personalized financial planning by analyzing a user's unique spending and saving habits. This makes it easier for people to plan and manage their money effectively. At the same time, a based fraud prevention system can detect suspicious activities quickly and protect users from scams, building trust in digital finance. What about blockchain benefits? So blockchain technology supports secure transactions without relying on many intermediaries, which lowers costs and reduces complexity as well. This can be a game changer for microloans, allowing smaller loan amounts with transparent, tamper-proof records of each transaction on blockchain. And scalable technologies. So by leveraging AI and blockchain together, we can create innovative, scalable solutions that reach even more people around the world, and will use the best from each of these technology. This helps ensure that everyone, no matter where they live, has the opportunity to access essential financial services. So, how to achieve success? And the key is partnerships. Yeah. So, in order to truly expand financial inclusion, collaboration is really essential. Each stakeholder brings unique strengths and resources to the table. And by working together, we can drive meaningful change. So governments, they can support infrastructure development, like improving internet coverage and enabling digital IDs, and pass laws that make it easier for people to access financial services securely and remotely. Policies that encourage innovation while protecting consumers are a huge part of building trust in mobile finance. NGOs. So these organizations play a key role in building trust within communities. They often conduct on-the-ground initiatives, helping people understand and embrace digital tools. Also, they teach financial literacy, which empowers individuals to manage their finances and promotes wider adoption of mobile applications. And technical companies. So private sector innovators develop the platforms and tools needed to reach underserved populations. Their expertise in user-friendly design, security, and scalability ensures that financial applications work smoothly for people who may have little or no prior experience with digital finance. By joining forces, governments, NGOs, and tech companies can create an ecosystem where mobile applications thrive and truly bring financial services to everyone. So, as we come to the end of this presentation, there are a few important points to remember. So, the first one, mobile apps have a huge impact on closing the financial gap for people who previously had little or no access to financial services. These tools are not just conveniences, they are real lifelines of for underserved communities around the world. The second one, success in financial inclusion depends on collaboration. Governments, NGOs, and technology companies must all work together. Governments can provide the right policies and infrastructure, NGOs can build trust and educate communities, and tech companies can develop the innovative solutions that bring these visions to life. The third, technology continues to be a powerful driver. Advancements like AI and blockchain are changing the way people access, afford, and secure their financial services. They make it possible to deliver personalized solutions at scale. Finally, as we look ahead, it's clear that continuing to develop these technologies and strengthening our partnership will help us close more financial gap and fuel global economic growth. Thank you for joining today. Let's keep working together to create a more inclusive financial future for everyone. If you want to connect with us, please use these links from QR codes. Have a good day.